Okay, so PSEI up 5998 this Holy Week. So for me, huwag na tayo masyado munang umasa dyan. And since meron niyang bagong development sa news when it comes to war in the Middle East. So oil is up, companies will be having hard time with their earnings. It's going to affect other companies as well, especially yung mga real estate din, no? So why? So with oil up, inflation is gonna go up. So with that, Fed will be staying with their current or even hiking their interest rate. So yung money, the funds ng mga malalaki nandun yan, nakapark. So at least doon nag-earn sila ng interest. So hindi muna sila susugal, no? Hindi muna sila maglalagay sa mga emerging markets like the Philippines. So yun nga, for me, best to stay liquid and still do cost averaging, pero medyo lang natin, medyo hinay-hinay lang tayo sa pagko-cost average, kasi hindi pa natin alam kung kailan pa yung matatapos to, and kung kailan pa tayo magbo-bottom, no, sa ano na to, sa PSEI na to. So there are a lot of companies rebounded, no, nag-rebound. So last time I saw a big rebound by Ayala Land, which is yun nga yung lagi nating binabanggit dito sa videos natin. And we are very invested with Ayala Land. Pero ayun nga, we are just doing peso cost averaging there. So if you want to be part of their company, just put your investments there regularly, and just don't mind it yung taas baba niya. So the more it goes down, there's nothing wrong. Again, there's nothing wrong with most of the companies here. They're earning good. So maybe maapektuhan lang tayo, pero yung mga companies here are still good, still intact yung mga financial statements nila, no. So very very okay pa yung mga companies natin. So for me, just do cost average, cost averaging. So the moment na it goes down, just keep on buying regularly with fixed amount, pero wag nating todohan muna kasi it's still very early. So baka pagka patapos na and nag-bottom na yung market, wala na tayong masyadong bala. So yun lang, no. Yun lang yung gusto natin. We want to be there, we need to be there para maano natin, ma-maximize natin yung pag-invest natin with the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So ayun, if you want, you can also do with the index funds, no, and the rate funds. So meron dyan sa mga brokers, check nyo na lang. And ayun, for me, rates medyo pababa talaga, no, pero yun nga, the more they go down, the higher their dividend yield. So if wala namang problema sa companies nila, especially C-rate, E-rate, yun, medyo okay, no, tumataas yung dividend yield natin. So while we wait, we are still earning with dividend. And yun nga, with rates kasi there's a capital appreciation there. So that's it for our PSEI, and thanks so much for watching. You have a great day.